Once you're done writing this letter, keep this letter under your pillow or inside your pillow cover and read it every day before going to sleep, assuming that this letter has been written by your SP. And trust me, if you did it right, as I'll be telling you in this video, you will be overwhelmed with love for your SP every night before sleeping. And this is what we need, because we all know in the law of assumption community that the feeling is the ultimate secret to manifest anything. And what happens when you combine it with SATS or state akin to sleep? It goes right into your subconscious mind and it marinates whole night in those feelings during your sleep. And as a result, you get your manifestations easily, effortlessly, and a lot faster. Now let's understand how to do it. What you exactly have to do is very simple. You just have to write a letter to yourself pretending that you are your SP. Let me explain. For example, your name is Rita and you are in love with Rohit. You need to write a letter to Rita pretending that you are Rohit. It's as simple as that. Now, in this letter, write everything you want to hear from Rohit and feel everything that you want Rohit to feel for you. And in those feelings, through those feelings, write a letter to you. Whatever you want to hear from Rohit, whatever you long to hear from Rohit, write everything in that letter. Just remember that the more emotionally engaging your letter will be, the more effective this technique will become. Are you getting my point? Write every little detail you want him to feel for you. And then, when you are done, fold this letter and keep it under your pillow or inside your pillow cover so that every night before going to sleep, you can read that letter. But please remember, while reading it, have this feeling inside of you that this letter has been given to you by your SP and also has been written by your SP. Trust me, when you will read this letter, you will feel the same emotions if your SP had written it for you. Just notice and be aware of the feelings this letter evokes. If tears roll down your cheek, let them. This is what we want. When you're done reading the letter, fold it again and keep it under the pillow or inside your pillow cover. Remember, to get the best results, you have to repeat it every night. This is a very powerful and potent technique. This works by creating strong feelings of your wish fulfilled and impressing them in your subconscious mind during SATs. If you are a spiritual person, you must be knowing that your reality is nothing but an illusion. It is just a reflection of your consciousness, of the things or assumptions you're holding in your consciousness. So when you write a letter to yourself embodying your SP, four things happen simultaneously. Number one, your assumptions about your SP change in your consciousness. And as a result of it, by law of assumption, your reality reflects it back to you and your SP starts behaving in a similar manner. Number two, the thoughts you create inside of yourself while embodying your SP, while writing the letter on his behalf, gets transmitted to his subconscious mind by the law of thought transmission. And as a result of which, your SP starts thinking similar thoughts, not knowing from where these thoughts actually originated. Number three, when you read it again and again, you create strong feelings of your wish fulfilled again and again. And we all know this is the key to manifesting. Feeling the feelings of your wish fulfilled. And when you read this letter, this is what happens. And last but not the least, number four, you impress your subconscious mind effortlessly by these new assumptions about your SP in SATs or state akin to sleep. According to Neville Goddard, whatever thoughts we think while sleeping or in the state akin to sleep gets impressed in our subconscious mind easily and effortlessly, and nothing in the world can stop those feelings and assumptions to manifest in the waking two-thirds of our lives. SATS is super powerful, guys, and it is the key to impress your subconscious mind easily and effortlessly. If you want to know more about SATS and how it actually works in manifesting our desires, I've made a separate video on that. You can watch it here. If you have some questions about this technique, do let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button, and do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to never ever miss on any of my videos. So, till the time we meet again, bye bye.